How do you get reciprocity in your business? How can reciprocity, if it's used frequently, increase your sales? Well, first question is, what's reciprocity? It's so hard to say, right? Hey Siri, what is reciprocity?
In social psychology, reciprocity is a social norm of responding to a positive action with another positive action, rewarding kind actions.
When you're working with someone in business, if they do something nice for you, you should in turn remember that they did that for you and think about doing something nice for them, right? The reason why I'm working on this today with you is because a lot of us, we get so busy and caught up, we think, well, that was really nice. They invited us to this event, or they invited me to be part of a book club, or they invited me to go out on their boat, but they're not thinking that the person did that to bring them closer into their social network, and that it would be very thoughtful, keyword is here thoughtful, if in turn we did something to think of them back, okay? So reciprocity is an amazing way to grow business, and a lot of people don't use it the way that they're supposed to. I'm not talking about a quid pro quo. You do something for me, I have to do something exactly back for you. Like I buy you lunch today, you're gonna buy me lunch tomorrow. No, reciprocity comes from the heart, and it comes from an awareness. So for example, I needed my stairs replaced, and I asked for a good referral, got a referral from a great source. She says, you have to go to this person, went to that person, met him, turned business to him. Then I went onto his website, went onto social media. Then I also went to Facebook, gave a rave review, told him about the superior work that I got right. He never asked me about that, but he had given me an amazing experience. So I want to make sure that his business is honored. That's reciprocity. So today as a follow-up, I get a really cool email from him, and he said, hey Elizabeth, I'm so glad to hear that you were happy with our experience. Would you mind going to Google? And he provides the link, and he says, and give us a rating. Hopefully it was a 5-star experience you had. And of course it was. I gave him a 5-star. I wrote back to him and said, yes, absolutely. Here is your amazing review. You so deserved it, you and your team. And would you mind, if it's okay with you, I'm actually teaching a class at the end of the month on follow-up and follow-through. Would you mind sharing this? He writes back, of course, I'd love to, Elizabeth. So when you're doing your social networking and you're growing your sphere of influence and you're trying to figure out who are the people that you want to work more with, who you want to work perhaps not so much with, think of the law of reciprocity. Are you giving enough to them so that they want to work more with you? That's another Red Hawk tip today. Happy growth networking. Stay blessed. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you loved our video, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to be notified of our new Red Hawk tips, and see the description for details on how to subscribe to my free mailing list so you can be the first to hear about tips, events, and boot camps.